Hi guys and welcome. Look Fantastic is here, and what a ray of sunshine. It's so heavy. But before we dive into this box, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. If you love all things beauty like our YouTube family does, then hit that subscribe button before you leave and come and join us. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. I'm really hoping this is better than Glossy Box, because Glossy Box just a moment ago was a disaster. I think it's probably one of the worst boxes I've ever opened from them. Yeah, the highlight of the box was the e.l.f. lip gloss. So yeah, a ray of sunshine. This is a really nice box. Like I said, it's weighty. If you're unfamiliar with Look Fantastic, it is a monthly beauty subscription service. I will link or pop all the details in the description box down below, and a link to their website just in case you want to go and check it out. So let's just dive in. I nearly took my head off with it. They've started putting some really nice things written on the inside of the box. It says sunshine is the most precious gold on earth, which I totally agree with. It is precious. And the theme for this month is let the sun shine, so that's cool. We're all keeping in theme. I do like a bright yellow box. It's very nice. We've got a magazine in this month. They go magazine, QR code, magazine, QR code, magazine, and I do prefer the magazines. So before we dive into the box, I will give you a sneak peek of the sneak peek product of next month. If you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. There you go. Very intriguing. I've not used this product before, or I don't think I've used anything from this brand, so I'm really pleased and kind of intrigued as to how it goes. You can open your eyes now. I have seen a spoiler for this box. Yeah. So let's just dive in. I'll give you a cheeky sneaky peek of what is in the box. There we go. Just a quick one. Don't you see it all? If you hear a little bit of noise, I do have a really small fan going. It is so hot in here. Someone's burning something and doing garden work. The kids are running up and down the stairs. It's just, I do apologise. It might be a noisy one, but yeah, that's life, isn't it? So the first product I'm going to dive into, and it's covered in powder. So I'm hoping this is sealed. It's from By Terry, and it's the hyaluronic, is it the hyaluronic powder? I wanted to say the hyaluronic acid powder. Is it the Hyaluron translucent face powder? That's what it should be. It's the hyaluronic hydro powder. There you go. It's just because it's not in a box. Oh look, it's on the side. I need to open my eyes. I need tea. Mine is sealed, which is absolutely fabulous, which means there's one or two in a big box where they've been stored that are unsealed, so I do apologise if someone gets one of those. I'm pleased at the size of this. I was expecting, do you know, the really mini minis? 4 grams in this isn't bad, and it's in the shade clear, which is translucent, which is fabulous. So it will it will suit everybody's skin tone. So that's absolutely fabulous. Very inclusive. I do like that. No prices as per usual, but I'll say it's 4 grams, and it says perfect and smoothen smooth down the look of the skin with By Terry Hyaluronic Hydro Powder, a translucent setting powder that can be used to lock foundation in place or on makeup free skin for a flawless looking matte complexion. Now, I don't put powder on unless I'm wearing foundation, so I can't. I probably won't use it that way, but I will use it as a sort of translucent setting powder, and I'm really intrigued as to see how it feels. I'm expecting it to feel wet, so you know, pleased with it, really pleased with it. So far so good. The next item is from Mind Tan, and it's the Replenishing Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel, enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide, and it says it's moisturising, which is cool. We've got 50 mils in here. I've just opened the one we got from last year. I can't remember who did it, Glossy Box or Look Fantastic, but we got one last year. This is like water, so be careful when you open it up. It's very liquidy. I've just been using it in the evening after I've showered if I've been in the sun, even though I'm wearing sunscreen. It's just that really nice kind of cooling. I really like it. It's very soothing, and I'm not just using it on my face. I'm using it all over my body. So you'll plow through this quite quickly, considering mine's only here. I don't like it when they put like so many mils in a bigger bottle. It makes it feel like I'm being cheated. I don't know if anyone else feels the same way. And they've said it's 50 mils, and it says more than just your average after sun gel. Mine Tan Rapid Recovery contains a blend of skin-loving aloe vera and niacinamide for faster and more effective relief from sunburn with long-lasting skin benefits. So yeah, I don't get sunburn because I use SPF from head to foot. I'm surprised I don't suffer from a vitamin D deficiency, but it's just really nice just to pop on. And even though you've got sunscreen on, you're still tan. It just stops all the nasties, so it is really nice to apply and just freshens you up. Yeah, I like it. So that's okay. It's kind of like a staple. Pop it in the fridge. It's really cooling. Oh, now this next item is really intrigued me. I've never used this, and it's a foamy, which is really cool. What brand is this one? Or is they just called Foamy? Oh, the brand is called Foamy. It's a papaya body bar. Ooh, it says a new design. It's 100% plastic-free shower body bar. It's papaya and oat milk, nourishing. It will be nourishing. Vegan and cruelty-free. Really like that. A recyclable box. We got a ribbon here. I can smell that already. Oh, I like that. This reminds me of something that the Body Shop used to do back in the day, way back in the day. I'm saying, oh, yeah, really like that. I'm just gonna tie the string on now. Pop it in the shower, and it's got your knobbly bobbly bits on the sides. It would be really good just to go straight on the body with it and kind of massage. I can't pull the string through. And there we go. There's your string, so you can kind of hang it up. I like that. You could use it to shave with as well, straight onto the skin. Oats in skincare products are so soothing, really soothing. If you get inflamed skin like eczema, absolutely fabulous. I quite often run a bath, pop some oats, raw oats in a stocking, tie it around the taps, leave it sitting and the water running through it, and it's absolutely amazing. I use that on the kids as well. So yeah, really looking forward to this. And it's not a really papaya-y fragrance. It's just nice and fruity and quite light. Pleased. So far, so good. I'm happy. Very happy. Takes a lot to make me happy. I'm just joking. I'm a pint of lager and a packet of cheese and onion crisps kind of lady. And it says, what is it? It says, keep skin so soft with Foamy's shower body bar with papaya and oat milk. The 2-in-1 body bar stimulates your skin with a massaging effect whilst hydrating. Absolutely fabulous. Like it. And the fragrance smells absolutely stunning. Oh, the next item we've got is a scalp scrub. I'm intrigued. Really intrigued. It says scalp rescue scrub for a clear flake-free healthy scalp. 97% natural, and it's from, oh my goodness, how am I going to pronounce this? Umberto Giannani. I think that's right. I do apologise. I think that's Italian, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, there's no seal. Oh wow. I like the smell of that. It's got very fruity and coconut. It smells like it's got papaya. That's a pina colada. Yeah. If you like pina colada. Yeah, I really like that. And I do like a scalp scrub. I've not used a scalp scrub like this in a long time. So I'm really pleased. And there's 200 mils in here. This is fabulous. And it says the vegan formula battles excess oils, dryness and breakages, pineapple enzymes with lots of benefits, striving to boost shine, support softness and alleviate irritation, whilst walnut shell micrograins gently slough away dead skin cells on the scalp, which is fabulous. And it says use on wet hair once a week as a pre-shampoo treatment, massage gently into the scalp, focusing on areas of build-up and dryness for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. Follow with scalp restore, shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I'm pleased with this, and the size is absolutely amazing. That's probably why the box was so heavy. The next item we've got is from the brand, it's either Mio or Mayo, so I do apologise, and it's the Future Proof Body Butter. It's 30 mils in here, so it's quite small for body butter. It's not sealed, so let's give it a go. A body butter. So I have a large body. it won't take me long to work through it. So they're going to send a sample. There we go. It would be nice if they sent a bigger one. You know, 100 mils would be nice. Oh, that smells like orange. I like that. Yeah, very citrusy. Is it greasy? No, it's not really. It's drying down quite quickly as well, which is lovely, especially with a body butter. I'm not one that wants to be standing around in my bedroom waiting for my skin to dry before I put my clothes on. So yeah, nice citrus. I like that. And there's 30 mils in it, and it says the future-proof natural body butter is overflowing with omega-rich actives and, oh my goodness, anaeroba oil, I do apologise, to help protect from dryness, giving your skin an instantly stronger and healthier looking radiance. Its thick and smooth texture, infused with new citrus scent, feels super soft on the body to nourish and transform the appearance of the skin. Yeah, really like that. Very pleased. And the last item in the box, because we didn't get the Beauty Pro clay sheet mask, I don't know why. It's rather annoying. So I don't know if this is an either or everybody was supposed to have got the mask and they've had a problem with stock, but they've thrown this in. Okay, it's an extra. There's 29 mils in here. I'm going to pop this in a giveaway because it's just not something that I use. And it's from Cetaphil, and it's a gentle skin cleanser, and it says recommended as a gentle, non-irritated daily cleanser for sensitive and dry skin. This product is soap-free, removing dirt, makeup and other impurities without drying the skin, helping the skin retain its needed moisture and leaving the skin feeling soft, smooth and healthy. Oh, it's an all. Yeah, it says which product will you receive? All. So you'll get either a full size mask or a not for resale sample. So yet again, I have got a box that has the much cheaper, not happy product. I do apologise. I'm really disappointed so far this month with a couple of these boxes, but we'll run through because on the whole, I really liked this one this month. So we got the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder, 4 grams, decent size, I think, obviously, because this is quite a pricey product. So really pleased with that one. We got the Foamy Shower Bar. I'm really intrigued and looking forward to trying this. It just smells stunning. Sorry, I've got to give it another sniff. I really like it. These two in the shower together will just transport you to somewhere really nice and hot and sunny, and yeah, I get why they've done it. We have got the Scalp Scrub from Umberto Giuliani. I think that is what they're called. This is just gorgeous. I can't wait to get that on my head. So yeah, really pleased with that one. The Mio or Mile Future Proof Body Butter, a nice citrus body butter. That's dry now. So yeah, it's non-greasy, really cool, quite like it. We got the Mind Tan Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel. It's a bit frustrating because we got one last year in either Glossy Box or Look Fantastic. So if they were going to put an After Sun Gel in, it would have been nice to get one from a different brand to kind of try. But I really do like it, and it is a good one. And the really disappointing product at the end, the Cetaphil cleanser, it probably is a really nice cleanser, but it's too small, and you can't put a sample size item and a full size item and say you're going to get either one of these. They need to be 2 items of similar size and similar value so that nobody feels like they've lost out, which isn't fair. So yeah, that's my little rant of this box. But on the whole, I think I'm quite pleased. I need some tea because I can't speak, and I've got another video to do in a minute, and I'm going to do nothing but talk. I might need a glass of wine. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you thought of this box. I liked it. Yeah, apart from that one item. So yeah, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.